What's up guys, my name is Leda. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today I'm going to show you some gray blending technique that I'm going to do. So this is our guest. I want you guys to see where her gray starts, and then she's got some of this yellow going on. Now that being said, what color was your hair just a few months ago?
Close to black.
Black. This is how many we've done? 2 sessions, I believe. Okay, so now this is gonna be our 3rd session, hopefully last session, because she is so close. So I'm gonna go mix up and I'm gonna show you guys what I use and how I'm going to do it today on her hair. Make sure that you subscribe and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all Leda Fazal. All right, let's go mix. All right guys, because this is her 3rd process, I'm not gonna go real heavy on the developer that I'm using for her. All right, I am using some powder lightener, and I am going to use a little bit of 10, some 6 volume. I want this to be super gentle, and my method is low and slow, okay? Low and slow. I'm going to do some teasy highlights on her. I'm gonna show you that. And then when she's all tizzy foiled, I'm going to put a toner in between. So stay tuned for that. I'll be showing you how to do the tizzy foil next. Most people don't know is gray, you cannot create it. A hairstylist cannot create gray hair, right? The best thing we could do is lighten it and tone it to gray, but then that toner is gonna fall off, rinse out, and you're gonna be left with blonde. So in a case where I'm gray blending, I'm gonna try to stay off the gray as much as possible, because that's something I can't create, and that's something I want to eventually grow out, because I know I won't have to tone it, I won't have to lighten it, I won't have to darken it, I won't have to do anything with it. She has some dark there, kind of yellowy. What we're gonna do is lay that lightener. I'm not going down to her ends, and I'm not going down to her top, up to her top, okay? Here I am, that's all. That's all for this section, and I'm folding it. All right, I'm gonna do a few more, and I'm gonna show you guys throughout the process, so come on back. What I do is I never mix more than 1 scoop at a time, because yes, I could use a bucket of lightener on her hair, but if I mix up an entire thing, the potency is not going to be the same. So I like to refresh and make another one as I go. Got all the lightener on her. I want to show you a piece here. All right, look at, she's lifting real nice. She didn't need a whole lot, you know what I mean? She was already almost there. So this is again her 3rd visit of, and we're going to the gray blending. So obviously, like I said, I'm staying off her root, but we are lifting out that kind of yellowy color, right? Now what I'm gonna do in between, I left out a little bit because I wanted her to have some dimension, okay? And like this piece is like real light, so I'm not gonna go real dark, but I am using a semi-permanent here. I am using a level 7 with a little bit of ash, just a little bit of ash, because we are going towards a gray blending. So I'm trying to get rid of as much warmth as possible, all right? Her natural, she's still got some dark here. So that's why I am putting a level 7 with a little bit of ash into that teasy foil and dragging it down to some of the pieces that I did leave out. Now, I didn't leave out a whole lot, And I'm just tapping the root. I'm not real worried about the root. I'm okay with the way the root looks. But this is part of the process. So after I foiled her, going through the entire thing to put this gloss on her. And then when she's all rinsed out, I'm gonna show you guys what she looks like. I'm gonna do probably a toner, maybe a shadow root, not sure yet. All right, stay with me. And I am just touching up those ends just a little bit, just to give her a little more brightness. And I'm not worried about all that, you know, that's her natural right there. And we're going to rinse this out. I'm gonna pre-tone her. Then I'm going to do a root shadow gloss for her. And then I'll show you how it all comes together. Don't forget to subscribe right here because I'll have more content. I've actually got a new space coming and I'm gonna be doing a whole lot more YouTube videos, and of course still follow me on TikTok, Instagram, 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗔𝒊𝒔𝒕-Raleigh.